Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the power marathon section, and here you have power boost. So you can switch this feature like this, just tap activate, and you can also change some of its settings, like you can enable disable dark theme, activate adaptive brightness, disable vibrator, disable action and gestures, optimize volume, and also disable wake screen for notifications. So yeah, that's how you can easily switch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.